Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. Today, more and more lawyers and advocates are not limiting themselves to practice alone. They maintain professional pages, publish expert materials, write articles, monographs, and other types of academic work. And this has long ceased to be a rarity, becoming a noticeable trend. In the professional environment, publications are increasingly perceived as an indicator of specialists' high level. But why exactly do lawyers and advocates need academic publications? Let's talk about this in detail. First and foremost, publications are important for academic growth. If a specialist plans to develop within the academic sphere, to teach, to defend a dissertation, or to obtain an academic degree, publication activity becomes practically essential. The second important point is the enhancement of professional authority. When a lawyer publishes in strong specialized journals, this demonstrates not only their interest in science, but also a high level of knowledge, the ability to analyze complex legal issues, and to formulate well-reasoned conclusions. Such publications strengthen reputation and help the specialist stand out among colleagues. In addition, academic articles are also a means of exchanging knowledge. Through publications, lawyers can discuss changes in legislation, analyze judicial practice, propose new approaches to solving legal issues, and participate in professional discourse. This is practically important in the field of law, where the development of practice is directly linked to the quality of expert analysis. There is also another important aspect, the development of one's own practice. When a specialist writes an academic article, they immerse themselves more deeply in the subject, study additional sources, compare different legal positions, and often discover new solutions for practical work. In this way, academic activity doesn't distance them from the profession, but in the contrary, helps to improve their level of competence. Publications also increase a lawyer's competitiveness in the market. A specialist with academic works is more often perceived as an expert with deeper knowledge and therefore inspires greater trust both within the professional community and among clients. In addition, publication activity helps to expand professional connections and opens opportunities for participation in conferences, seminars, and international projects. It is also important that an academic publication for a lawyer is a way to leave a professional legacy. Court cases come to an end. Consultations remain within the bounds of a specific situation, but a good article continues to work for the specialist even years later. It demonstrates how exactly the lawyer thinks, which approaches they use, how deeply they understand the issue, and whether they are able to see it more broadly than the framework of a single case. In essence, a publication transforms practical experience into an intellectual product that shapes the specialist's recognition not only in the working process, but also in the professional field. Thus, scientific publications for lawyers and advocates are not merely an additional occupation, but a real tool for professional and career growth. They help to strengthen reputation, develop expertise, expand the network of professional contacts, and occupy stronger positions within their field. If you need assistance with the publication of an academic article in the field of jurisprudence, please contact the company Scientific Publications. We will help you select an appropriate journal and support you at all stages up to successful publication. And that's all for now. If this video was useful, please like, subscribe to the channel and share it with colleagues. See you in the next videos.